These are the 20 things that you absolutely cannot bring into Disney World. Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Jen, and we're part of Disney with Dave's Daughters. We've been going to Disney World with our dad since we were little girls, and now we're sharing all of our dad's planning secrets with you.
Before you head into Disney, there's one thing that can completely derail your morning before you even get into your first ride. That would be getting stopped at security.
And honestly, some of the items on Disney's Prohibited list are very obvious, but some of them really surprise people. So today we're walking through 20 things you cannot bring into Disney parks so you can avoid getting turned away at the gate.
Let's start with the obvious ones. Anything considered a weapon is not allowed in Disney World. That includes firearms, ammunition, knives, weapons of any kind, and even look-alike toy weapons.
They also do not allow self-defense items like pepper spray or mace, and you can't bring in marijuana or any illegal substances, including marijuana-enriched products.
A big one that people forget about is alcohol. You cannot bring alcoholic beverages into the Disney parks. Alcohol is allowed in Disney hotels, but cannot be brought into the parks themselves.
Same goes for glass containers, unless it's something small like a baby food jar. So if you're packing drinks or snacks, make sure you're using plastic containers instead.
Another category Disney is strict about is anything loud or disruptive. That means horns, whistles, megaphones, and artificial noisemakers are all strictly prohibited. Don't bring them in.
Yeah, basically, if it's going to make everyone around you hear you before they see you, leave it at home.
Now let's talk about the items that catch a lot of families off guard. Things like drones, remote control toys, skateboards, scooters, inline skates, and the shoes with the built-in wheels, can't wear those.
And this one is a big one for parents. Strollers that are too large are prohibited. They cannot be bigger than 31 inches wide and 52 inches long. And stroller wagons, they're not allowed either.
Actually, all wagons are prohibited. That includes anything trailer-like that's pushed, pulled, or towed behind a stroller, wheelchair, ECV, or a person. If a wagon is medically necessary, be sure to contact Disney directly prior to your trip.
So definitely measure your stroller. Disney does not budge on this.
Let's talk bags, because this one can easily slow you down at security. Suitcases, coolers, backpacks, or bags with wheels larger than 24 by 15 by 18 inches are not allowed.
And if you're bringing a cooler, loose ice or dry ice is also prohibited. Reusable ice packs are the better option.
Some other things people don't always think about are folding chairs and collapsible stools. You see those all over the internet. You can't bring those into Disney even though people want to.
Neither are selfie sticks, camera extension poles, flags, or banners. This one gets people all the time.
Yep. Tripods and monopods are only allowed if they fit inside a standard backpack and don't extend over 6 feet. So larger filming setups are a no-go, and Disney is getting more and more strict on this one.
Which is really good to know if you plan on vlogging your trip.
Here are a few park-specific ones. Balloons are not allowed in Animal Kingdom or the water parks.
And plastic straws are also not permitted in Animal Kingdom or the water parks.
And lastly, for the water parks, Disney also prohibits non-Coast Guard approved flotation devices and swim noodles. They do have life jackets available for you there, so don't worry too much about bringing your own.
The biggest takeaway here is to actually review this list while packing, especially your backpacks, coolers, and stroller measurements.
Because the last thing you want is to spend all this time planning your Disney day and then lose time at security. Pack smart, get through security fast, and get to the fun part.
Save this for your Disney trip planning because this list can seriously save you a headache.
Cheers to the magic.